In this video, I am going to tell some important basics of AutoCAD, which are very important while working on AutoCAD. So, if you want to learn better, please watch this video. Let's start. Here, we will discuss only some important settings. I am not going in detail because it will take more time. So, initially, when you open this AutoCAD software, you will see a screen like this. This is our workspace. We can change this workspace from here. You can change, you can see setting. So you can see three workspace options: drafting and annotation, 3D basics and 3D modeling. As you can use any of these workspaces. So if you want to work in 2D, we will select drafting and annotation, which is default selected. And if you want to work in 3D, select 3D modeling. As you can see, 3D toolbars are available. So like this, you can use 2D or 3D workspace. Let's select 2D, drafting and annotation. Now, as you can see this area, there are a lot of toolbars available. This is called ribbon area, and these toolbars help in creating design. So let's see one by one. Here you can see draw toolbar. These are draw toolbars, like you can select line, circle, arc to draw your design. Like this, in modified tools, there are a lot of modification tools like erase, and in annotation toolbar, there are a lot of annotation toolbars. Let's talk about one major problem students face while working on AutoCAD, that sometimes these toolbars get hidden. So let me first hide this ribbon area. Let's see how we can hide. Type ribbon R I B. You can see second option, ribbon close. Click on this. Now all toolbars get hidden. So to get them back, there are a lot of ways, but a simple way is to change the workspace. If we change from workspace from 2D to 3D, and again if we change this 3D to 2D, so now you can see all tools are visible. So like this, you can get your tools back. There is one more button in toolbars, minimize button. If you click on this minimize button, click thrice on minimize button, you will see that all toolbars are hidden. Again, if you click on this, you will get back all your tools back. So like this, you can use this minimize tool. Now I am going to tell about this coordinate system. As here you can see XY axis only, but there is one more axis, Z axis. When we work in 3D, as you can see 3D orbit. When you click this, you can see one more axis, Z axis. Here students face one more problem while working, that sometimes this coordinate comes in between their drawing. So like this, when we draw our drawing, so when we are going to pan this, we can see that this coordinate is also moving with our drawing, so it creates disturbance. So to get rid of this problem, we can fix this coordinate in this left corner. To fix this coordinate, simply we have to click on this and then right click. You can see last option, UCS icon setting, then first on, then click on first option, so UCS at origin. Now you can see UCS is fixed at left corner. Now if we are going to pan, so you can see UCS is fixed at left corner. Now, and if you don't want UCS at your screen, you can hide this like this. Click on this view button, you will see UCS icon. If you click on this, it will get hidden, and again if you want to get back, click on show UCS icon. Like this you can change. Now I am going to talk about this cursor. If you see this cursor, you will find that there is one plus sign and a small square in the center of this plus sign. If you want, select any tool from toolbar, as I have selected line command from draw toolbar. You can see only this plus sign, and if I am going to select any tool from this modified toolbar, you can see only this square. So like this you can know that, understand which tool is active. If you see a plus sign, you can understand that draw toolbar is active, and if you see only square, then you can understand that modified tool is active. So when you end all commands, you will see both plus and square sign. So you can also change the size of this cursor. To get more basic knowledge of AutoCAD, we will meet in next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.